Joining the affiliate program for Bybit is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can join the affiliate program for Bybit. So for that, you have to be at your browser and you need to type in Bybit affiliate program, and there you guys go. You just need to go to this website, which is affiliate.bybit.com, and here you have to click on this join our affiliate program. By clicking on this, they will take you to a new page where you need to log into your account. If you don't have any account, you can easily create an account, but if you already have, you just need to sign into your account. After that, what it will do is it will ask you some information about your website or why you want to affiliate, or if you are capable for the affiliation program. It may ask you for your blogging personal website, or it can also ask you for any of the platform in which you want to promote the affiliation. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can get the Bybit affiliation program. Hope you guys find this video helpful.